Welcome to the Dell EMC Unity XT Crew Removal and Replacement series. In this series of short videos, we're going to use Unisphere and UEM CLI commands to identify faulted custom replaceable units on a Dell EMC Unity XT storage system. We'll then look at the ways to prepare the system for service, including service mode and reset and hold modes. We'll demonstrate the removal and replacement of the faulted crew, and finally verify the replacement crew is working correctly. One of the first things you want to do is to log on to the storage system using the Unisphere interface. This requires that you have initialized the system and provided an IP address in your browser, and once you do that, you're going to be brought to the page that you see here. You're going to have a username along with a password. That combination was also set up during the initialization process. And once you provide those correct credentials, we'll be able to log in and view the dashboard page. So we've logged on to the dashboard with Unisphere, and we can see that it doesn't appear to show any errors, so we're just going to show you how to replace a disk and locate it. So we go to enclosures, and in this particular case we have a DAE on bus 1 enclosure 0, and we're looking at, in our example, we clicked on disk 14, so you can see the disks are numbered from the left to right, 0 to 14 respectively. And to replace the 3.5-inch disc, it's really easy. You're going to see an amber fault LED. You're going to pull that out, and you let that sit there for 30 seconds or so the torque sort of winds down. Then you just pull it straight out, and then get the replacement disc, align it into these slots, push it in gently, and go ahead and latch it down. You're going to hear it click, and after some time you should see the disc come back online ready. And of course, you can always view the disc itself to make sure it's in good shape by going back to the front of the system and making sure it was ready. So it's a simple 3.5-inch disk drive replacement.